Take a ride in the 2023 GV80. The Genesis GV80 is a stylish luxury SUV with third-row seating for all your hauling needs. The exterior has a distinctive and sophisticated look with an interior that is even more impressive and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, alloy wheels, wheel locks, power liftgate, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, electronic stability control, traction control. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.